In this video, I'll show you how to remove your PIN on Windows 11. Right-click on the Start icon and select Settings. Click on Accounts on the left-hand side, and click on Sign In Options. If the Remove option under PIN is available, click on it and follow the prompts to remove it. If it's grayed out, scroll down to Additional Settings and check if only Allow Windows Hello Sign-In for Microsoft accounts on this device is turned on. Turn this setting off and enable the removal option. After turning off the setting, go back to Sign-In options and attempt to remove the PIN again. Go to Accounts and make sure that the PIN is removed. Or you can simply switch to a local account. Click on Sign In with a local account instead. You'll need to enter your PIN, then provide your local account information. If you prefer, leave the password blank and click Next. Now, click on Sign Out and Finish. And after signing out, log in using your local account. You won't need to enter a PIN. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.